Good morning, folks. It is the 11th of January, 2022, and I am looking at the E-mini ES right now, and it's going pretty close with the NQ, which is the NASDAQ. They're both looking pretty much the same, kind of down a little bit to start, and I think I'm going to be looking at the, like I said, the ES on the buy side for the first 5-minute candle and trade it just like I trade the NASDAQ for the first 5 minutes. And I let that form, and then I'll put a buy order in above the high. So with that will be with an 8-tick stop, which is 2 points, and it's $100 in the ES, which is the S&P 500. So we have about 3 minutes till open, and I'll come back when the open when I get my order put in, and we will see what happens. If it doesn't go up at the beginning, I will be looking for a 1, 2, 3 reversal. So if it comes down a little bit, we'll see what happens, and then hopefully we'll get a reversal in there. But that's the game plan right now. So I'll be back here in a bit. All right, folks, this 5 minutes in already. It dropped like a rock there at the beginning. That doesn't mean it can't come back and go right through the top of the first 5-minute candle, because I've seen it happen too many times. But what I'm actually thinking is going to happen is it's going to come down in here somewhere, and these will come together, these moving averages, and we'll have a turnaround eventually, maybe. We don't know. Everything over here is still looking bearish. This is the slow stochastic, RSI, MACD. These red lines are the 50% level, so anything below that means it's a bearish move. So what I'll be looking for is to buy it, unless it hits the first 5-minute candle and breaks through it real quick. I'll be trying to buy it when these are crossing over up into above the red line. So other than that, it may get back up there pretty quick, though. That's why I keep that buy stop order in above the high. So let me look over here on the, oh, see, it's already broken on the NQ. So it could be going back up right from here. But I just wanted to trade the E-mini today, the ES. So maybe this NASDAQ will pull it on up, and we'll see. So I'll come back if that happens here. So here we are. What I'm looking for is this low was put in just 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, and I'm looking for it to pull back. It'd be nice if it come down here now. It's at the VWAP right now. So if you don't know what a VWAP is, you might want to look it up. It's VWAP, volume weighted average price is what it stands for. But I'm like I said, I trade the 1, 2, 3 reversal, so everything is looking like it wants to go up. And here's the crossover, the MACD. The RSI is getting ready to cross the 50%. The stochastic, that's the main key when I want that to be crossing. I like this to cross first, and then this cross at this time of a 1, 2, 3 reversal. So I'll come back if we get a pullback and get an entry point. All right, so I have my order in above this little high here at 52.75. My order's at 53 stop to buy. Everything's looking like it wants to go up. I would rather have this up here next to the 50, but we will see. I've got one contract on, getting ready to get filled, it looks like, and I will come back if I do get filled here. Well, I got stopped out on my first try above this high right here. Went up and hit this 34 moving average and just dropped on down from there. I have my order in to buy above this high again, and we will see what happens. Let's see, everything's looking pretty good over here. Looks like it wants to go up, so we'll just see what happens, folks. All right, folks, I just got filled, and we'll see if it can push on up. Everything's looking bullish for it. Yeah, things are crossing over here. It's right at the red line. We may have a winner on this one. We'll see. So, yeah, we need to get some oomph behind it, though. The 9 is coming up to the 34, which is a good sign. And here's the cumulative delta is really pushing hard. So I've got to take profit up here at 69.75. And my stop loss is 54.75. So we just need to keep that momentum going right now and get past this. First 5-minute candle, the high is 62. So I think if it can break 62, we should be good for going up north. And right now, 60 is the high of this candle. 61. Okay. Yeah, so I'm up a little over 200 bucks right now. You know, on my last one, I had my stop down too low. I didn't realize I was 12 ticks. And so I took a $167 loss on that one. But, and that thing could drop real quick too. Let me see what the NASDAQ's doing. Yeah, the NASDAQ's looking strong. That's a good sign. I don't want to get my hopes up too high, but I'll just hold on to it right now. Let's see, did it break? Yeah, 63 was the break point. Tell you what, it may be a little too early, but you got to keep your capital. I moved up to break even. That way, with the one loss I had already, if I get hit again, it'll be just 167 loss for the day. But so far, let's see what we got over here. Yeah, this is the stochastics crossing the 50% line. It's a darn good sign. I hope I didn't move it up too quick because it looks like it wants to go on up. And we will see here. Okay. Well, here it goes. Keep pushing, fellas. See over here to the left side. It's been here. It was here in the overnight. So I think it wants to get back up here eventually today. So, okay, I'm up 425. See if we can get on up there, at least 500 bucks. Tell you what, this candle right here, the low is 60. I'm going to move my stop up to 60 below this candle. There we go. 59.75. So I'm up 537 right now. 67, 68. It's looking kind of strong. Get on up there, fellas. 69. I'm up 575. Come on here. Let's see. 69 quarter. I got it. We're 69.75 and 69. Let's see if we can push on up a little more. Shoot. Come on, bad boys. Let's see what we got over here. NASDAQ still looking strong. Oh, shoot. That's not good. Dropped on down. Tell you what, I may just pull it right down to where it's been already. Let's see if we can get back up there. 65. Let's see what we're looking like over here. Yeah, 63, 60. This RSI 64 looks like it wants to go back up. You need this blue number here. Yeah, get 65, 70s. That'll take it on up into the profit zone. 67, 60. Yeah, let's see. Come on up, guys. I know I'm talking to myself here a lot, and I'm not trying to. I know encouraging. There we go. I know encouraging him doesn't make it go any higher, but I'm just talking and out loud as I trade. So I did take a profit there. Let me make sure everything's cleared out. And let's go over to these. Well, just a second. Let me find the scoreboard here. I'll come back in a second. Okay, so here's my scorecard for the day. Total profits were $550. Loss was 162. I thought it was 167 with the commission, and then you subtract that. I came out gross profits 387 for the day, and then minus the commission is 378 for the day. Here are the actual trades I took. Overall, I'm happy with it. I will show you one thing though is what I probably should have done was maybe shouldn't have taken that first trade because it was right in here, and I like for it to be up at this 34 level. When it pulls back, that is a really good sign that it's going to go. If it breaks that high or the reversal. So you had the 1, 2, 3, and it broke the high and went on up, and cumulative delta was there. Everything was lined up on this one more so than it was here, but I've seen in the past sometimes it'll take off, and I really made that mistake thinking I only had like a $120 loss. 160 isn't bad, but this thing's still going up. It could go on up and make new highs from the overnight. I don't know. I just wanted to go on and take some profit out though. So I'm happy with it, over 300 bucks for the day. I appreciate you watching this far, and I hope you had a good trading day yourself. And we'll be back tomorrow, and if there's a trade that presents itself, I'll jump in, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, I appreciate it if you push the thumbs up button. It helps the channel. So I'll be at it tomorrow. Take care.